We're getting ready to go to a swimming pool for the tryout. Just trying to stay calm. And Aladdin and lots of space.
Okay.
Aladdin and Tazlina were together, remember?
Yeah.
In that same kennel.
Alright, we're gonna gear up. Gear talk, so I mean parts of the sled, that kind of stuff. We're gonna go through those pieces. Ideally, since you guys have those things up here, not down there, we can talk about them right here at the front before we bring them down to the dogs.
Laurel?
Yes?
Are you ready to go dog sledding?
No.
You're close. So you have a synthetic long underwear top. And a lot of times for my kids, if I don't have the long underwear, I'll just have them wear their pajamas, because a lot of pajamas are made out of synthetic material, those fuzzy PJs. Just check the tag and make sure they're not cotton. We're finally all ready to go dog sledding, is that right? Now we need to stop for lunch.
We need one more thing. Food. One more. And we need a neckline.
Well, we're getting dogs very soon. My job out here was to get a warming fire going, so that is accomplished. Took a little bit of doing, because it is, well, Pacific Northwest. It's wet. Everything is wet. Snow, yes, but snow doesn't mean wet, at least up in the North Country, but definitely making that transition back to the Pacific Northwest, where you really got to manage the wet aspect, not just the cold of the North, but the cold and wet. That's tough. So, to help with that, nice warming fire to keep us stoked up in between runs. Hey, hike, hike, hike.
Alright, let's go.
Ready, G? G! Good doggers. Good doggers. Bye, dog.
Hey, come on.
Yeah, I got it.
Good doggers, let's go. Good doggers. Good dogs. Alright, now I have to run back to go meet up with them at the dog kennels.
Oh man, these guys could do that 5 times.
Oh, good.
Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go. Fix your leg. Fix your leg. Let's go.
We went dog sledding in the vineyard. So exciting. After our move from Alaska, it's such a blessing to have a snowy Christmas and to get on those dog sleds. We've been exercising them with the four-wheeler for a year now, and now we get to enjoy the beauty of the snow and getting out on the runners. We are getting ready for a dog sled trip in Eastern Oregon, and nothing like having snow here at the vineyard to do a little practice run, making sure that we have all the gear and extra supplies that we need.
Today's role for me was support and warming fire, and well, yeah, support. So helping out with this and that. That's a good spot to be. So, you know, I've done lots of dog sledding, so it was nice to let others do that. And I know that they've done a lot of, you know, work on the four-wheeler and that stuff. Yeah, which is nice. It's easy, but it's just different. You know, it's not the same thing. It seems like they have all really enjoyed today, being back on the runners, back in the real thing. And you know, we're not going to get to do this very often on the property, and it could well be years before we have these conditions again. It looks like we'll have a few days of this, So, you know, we'll see if we can take as much advantage as we can. And then, of course, truck up to the mountains. But, you know, when it presents itself to your, you know, right in your yard, it's, whether it feels like it or not, it's time.
Yeah.
It's time.
We're going to the swimming pool to practice strokes and kick turns and all that jazz. And then tomorrow I have a tryout for a swim club.
Where are we going?
In there.
Arch your back, streamline backwards, and push. Going all the way. Ready? Start. Set.
How was that, Coach?
It was such fun. We're jumps off the block again. So we're gonna try something really fun. On the edge.
So much of adventure-based parenting is about taking advantage of the moment. Of course, we make plans, but sometimes unexpected things happen, like snow in an area that doesn't normally get snow. And today we have about 4 inches of snow outside, and the girls and I are gonna go and adventure and do some ski races and work on our gear, make sure it's all fits for some of the adventures we have planned later this year. And even if we just get 20 minutes in before school time, it's worth checking out the gear and maybe having a few laughs.
We have our gear separated into totes based on the season and the sport or the pursuit. Today, Nordic skiing and playing in the snow.
Laurel, do you have everything you need?
No.
What else do you need?
I need skis and a poles.
Your skis and poles are right here. You are set.
Then I need to be wearing them.
Walk, walk, walk.
Walk, walk, walk.
Slide, slide, slide.
Slide, slide, slide.
Don't move your skis. Why do I keep missing? Oh, my hands are freezing. Hey. My hands are frozen.
It is time to ski down the vine row. Here we go.
We're getting ready to go to a swimming pool for the tryout. Just trying to stay calm.
So what happened? We couldn't bring the camera in there, but what happened?
I made it in. He had me do some
Strokes?
Yeah, strokes. He had me do all the 4 strokes, and then They asked if I wanted to do their practice with them. I said yes. So I did the practice, and yeah, I'm pretty good at it.
Are you ready to go get some pizza?
Yes, that sounds so good.
All right, let's go do it.
I'm gonna pretend like I didn't make it into the club.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Nice. Kid.
I was gonna try to make you guys think that I didn't get it, but I couldn't. Lucy and I came in like this. Like we were gonna be like all sad and everything. But Lucy's just like, so I was doing practice with him. Mom was doing paperwork. Fun. Yeah.
Woohoo! Monday, Wednesday, Friday.